Hello everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. As we continue to monitor the latest developments this tax season, we do have updated numbers from the IRS on where things currently stand this tax season. So we'll take a look at that, as well as recapping the top story of the week, which is the next batch of tax refunds currently scheduled to be released to banks nationwide, as well as those continued delays many taxpayers are still experiencing with the processing of their tax returns and tax refunds. Now, the latest numbers out of the IRS are showing over 72 million tax returns have so far been submitted this year, with 97% of them totaling over 70 million having already been processed. On the refund side of things, 51.7 million refunds have already been issued, worth over $171 billion, and the average refund is coming out to be a little over $3,300. The leading story of the week is that the next round of tax refunds is scheduled to be released on Wednesday, March 30th to banks nationwide. Included in this batch are those early filers, some of whom filed their returns as far back as January. Now, do note, while most will receive those refunds in their bank accounts the day of, some may not see it for an additional day or two. If you're part of the March 30th batch and do not receive your direct deposit by April 4th, then there's a possibility the wrong banking information was entered on your tax return. At that point, the IRS will issue you out a paper check by mail once the direct deposit has been returned to them. The estimated turnaround time on that has been reported to be roughly 5 weeks. In other news, taxpayers continue to report the IRS has adjusted their refund amount like seen here. Now, there are several reasons why this is happening. However, what we continue to see is the decrease in refunds this year is usually involving those third stimulus payments or incorrect advanced child tax credit payments entered on those tax returns. However, delinquent child support and tax debt are other factors. The IRS will send out a notice roughly 1 week before the refund is sent, detailing the exact reason. Meanwhile, certain taxpayers experiencing extended delays in the processing of their tax refunds are now reporting receiving the CP05 notice in the mail, like seen here, indicating there is a hold on the refund until further examination is completed. Now, oftentimes we're seeing this because there's a conflict between what the IRS computer system shows versus what was entered on a tax return, specifically related to tax credits, taxes withheld, and earnings. Now, a lot of questions coming in about those tax transcripts and when exactly they're updated. Now, the transcripts can be updated any day of the week. However, we're seeing mass updates on daily accounts usually on Tuesdays and mass updates on weekly accounts on Fridays, with most of those updates occurring between the hours of midnight and 3 a.m. Meanwhile, questions also coming in about those IRS cycle codes when referring to those tax transcripts. Now, a cycle code is an 8-digit number that indicates when your tax return was posted to the IRS master file, which is the IRS computer system. The first 4 numbers represent the year, the second 2 numbers represent the IRS cycle week of the filing season, and the last 2 correspond with the day of the week. Here you will see an example of the cycle date code. Let us know in the comment section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you've received your refund as of yet. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.